In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and customize sound effects in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video clips you want to edit and add them to the timeline. To add sound effects, click on the Audio tab. Here, you'll find various options including music, sound effects, and extracted. Select Sound Effect to browse the library of sound effects available in CapCut. Scroll through the categories to find the sound effect that suits your video. You can preview each sound effect by clicking the play button next to it. You can also use the search bar and type a keyword to find your preferred sound effect easily. Once you've found a sound effect you like, click the Add button to insert it into your timeline. The sound effect will appear as an audio layer beneath your video clips. Now, let's customize the sound effect to fit your video. First, adjust the timing. Click and drag the sound effect layer to reposition it at the exact point in the timeline where you want the sound to play. To trim the sound effect, hover over the edges of the audio layer until you see the trim handles. Click and drag the handles to shorten the duration of the sound effect. You can also use the split tool to trim the excess audio layer. Just reposition the playhead to the exact point you're going to trim the audio and click the split tool. After that, reposition the layer to the time where you want to play the audio. Next, adjust the volume. Click on the sound layer and select volume. Use the slider to increase or decrease the volume of the sound effect. For more advanced customization, you can use fade in or fade out effect. Just use the slider in the toolbar to set your desired duration. Play back your video. Now for our second example, let's delete the existing layers and add a new video clip. To create a more dynamic soundscape, consider layering multiple sound effects. Repeat the process from going to the Audio tab and selecting Sound Effects. Choose your desired sound effect that best fit your video. Use the split tool to match the video's duration. Now, let's add additional sound effects to the timeline. Search for another sound effects that match your video. Add it to the track. Position it appropriately. Adjust the timing and volume to create a rich, immersive audio experience. Now, play back your video to ensure everything sounds right. Once you're satisfied with the result, click Export. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized sound effects in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!